Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do the benchmarks and the gaming review video of the Pixel 3a smartphone. So here is the Pixel 3a. Now the games which we are going to play is Dead Trigger, Subway Surfers, Mortal Kombat X, S.9, Temple Run. This is the Antutu benchmark app, and in this you can see the specifications are given such as 1080 by 2220 pixels, 5.56 inches screen, DPI is 440, and we get Snapdragon 670 processor, runs on Android 9.0 Pie, has NFC connectivity, has Wi-Fi AC connection which supports dual band Wi-Fi, and then we have the sensors, accelerometer, temperature, game rotation vector, etc. In Antutu benchmark, the Pixel 3a scores 1,46,732 points. Now let's go into gaming and start our first game, which is Dead Trigger 2. So I have kept the speak volume at full so you can see the volume levels on the smartphone.
Shit! Watch out!
So as you saw, the performance on the Dead Trigger 2 was pretty good, and the sound quality is also very loud and clear. So next game is the Subway Surfer. So this is the basic game, and this should play very well on the smartphone. So next game on our list is the Mortal Kombat, which is a pretty graphic intensive game. So here you can see the sound quality is pretty crisp and clear. The graphic also is pretty good, and you can see from various different angles. So the next game on our list is S.9. So as you guys saw, the gaming was pretty good on the smartphone. So now let us test the internet speeds on the smartphone. So this smartphone supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and I'm getting a pretty good speed of around 90 to 100 Mbps here with the smartphone, so which is pretty good. The Wi-Fi reception is really strong, and so here you can also see that in our website, the scrolling to panning to everything is pretty smooth and everything works very well here. So this smartphone is a really good choice for people who want to just have a great stock Android experience with amazing cameras. So you can see here the page loading time with everything is perfect, and the panning to zooming to the screen quality, you can see it can be viewed from different angles too. And so guys, that was a quick video on the benchmarks and gaming review video of the Pixel 3a. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel, the Trendy blog. Also check out our blog, which is www.trendyblog.net. The full review of the Pixel 3a will be soon published on our blog, so you can go and check that. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.